It's wild. Google's biggest launch of the year is barely a week away, yet it feels like the Pixel 10 series has already crashed its own surprise party. You'd think Google was guarding the details like nuclear codes, but nope. This week's leak doesn't just give us a sneak peek, it practically hands us the keys. We're talking colors, curves, camera specs, even some jaw-dropping zoom upgrades that might just shake up the entire smartphone camera game. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you're loving these deep dives into the next wave of tech, hit like, share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. So, here's the thing. Most leaks are blurry shots in bad lighting, but not this one. This time we've been hit with over 60 high-resolution, crystal clear renders of the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and Pixel 10 Pro XL showing off every angle like they're already posing for the official store page. The color lineup is equally bold and balanced. Obsidian for the purists, frost and porcelain for that clean, minimal vibe, indigo and moonstone for a touch of mystery, and then there's jade, the green so good it's almost cruel, because in these renders, it's exclusive to the Pro XL. Yeah, the regular Pro might be feeling a little jealous. Design-wise, Google's playing with texture in a way that actually feels fresh. The base Pixel 10 flips between a matte frame and a glossy back of the Pixel 10 Pro, gives you a metallic frame paired with soft touch matte glass. Subtle difference. Maybe. But in the hand, it's going to feel like a completely different phone. Specs. Oh, they're going all in this year. The Pixel 10 may be the entry-level model, but it's packing the same new Tensor G5 chip as the top dogs of 12GB RAM, a 6.3-inch 120Hz extra display, and a triple camera system, 40MP main, 13MP ultra-wide, and 10.8MP telephoto with up to 20x zoom. That's not entry-level energy. Add all-day battery life, 4K video recording, and Pixel Snap wireless charging, and you've got a phone that feels like it's punching way above its price bracket. Now, the Pixel 10 Pro and Pro X turn that power dial up to 11, 16GB RAM, triple 50MP, 40MP, 40MP cameras, and the headline grabber, a ridiculous 100x zoom. Sure, on paper it sounds like you'll be photographing license plates from the moon, but the real test will be how sharp those shots look in the real world. The front camera alone is a flex 42MP with autofocus, and yes, both still promise over 24 hours of battery life, fast charging, and wireless Pixel Snap support. And then the wild card, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. This thing's an 8-inch Super Actua Flex Display Dream with a 6.4-inch cover screen for quick tasks, backed by 16GB RAM and up to 1TB of storage. It's slim premium, and if the rumors about October are right, Google might be timing its foldable release to go head-to-head with Samsung's next big foldable push. That's bold. What's fascinating here is the strategy. Google isn't just playing catch-up anymore. They're aiming to be the phone you talk about before Apple or Samsung even hit the stage. The leaks have stripped away most of the visual surprises for August 20th, but the big unknowns, like the final pricing, are still in play. If they hit that sweet spot, this lineup could be the biggest Pixel wave we've ever seen. So now the question is, which one's your pick? The compact powerhouse, the big screen zoom monster, or the foldable flex machine? Because in just days, we'll know exactly how much temptation Google's about to drop on our wallets.